Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be reading a book called Earth Ninja by Mary Nin. Let's begin. Lazy Ninja threw away his trash. He saw the recyclables bin, but he didn't fully understand what it was for. Later afternoon, Lazy Ninja and Earth Ninja went to the beach and played in the waves. Suddenly, he noticed a turtle that was lying on the shore wiggling. The ninjas walked up to the little guy. The little guy noticed he was wrapped in plastic. "Let's try to remove this plastic," said Earth Ninja. After a while, Earth Ninja freed the turtle from his plastic chains. It's funny that he called them chains, even though it's not metal or steel, just plastic. "Wow, how do you end up like that?" asked Lazy Ninja. "We don't throw away our trash properly. A lot of it ends up in the ocean," replied Earth Ninja. "Yeah, if that happens, if every ninja did their part, our Earth would be better." "What? I didn't know that." "How?" asked Lazy Ninja. "We can practice the 3 R's. Come on, I'll show you. Reuse. We can turn used paper into art supplies or scrap paper for notes. We can use reusable lunch containers instead of plastic wrap or disposable baggies. And we can reuse plastic and paper bags for liners for trash cans. Recycle. We can take time to recycle glass, paper boxes, and plastic. Reduce. Riding our bikes or walk can reduce our carbon footprint. Using unneaten food as fertilizer can reduce food waste. Maybe like skin peels, like bananas. Like you can make it into compost so you can plant plants so you don't have to throw away the peel and it does not end up in the ocean." That's what they're trying to say. "And make sure we put reusable bags in the car for shopping." I sometimes do that. I mostly keep mine in the house. "I had no idea I had an impact on the earth." "Yep, we all do," replied Earth Ninja. "Facts. If you lined up the plastic bottles tossed away each year, they would circle the planet 4 times. Energy saved from recycling. A glass bottle can light a light bulb for 4 hours." More facts. You can maybe just pause it and maybe read this. Or maybe I can read some of it because maybe I'm hiding it with my face. Alright, let's see. 75% of garbage is recyclable, but we only recycle 30% in the US. Better recycle. I mean, if you don't have a recycling bin, maybe you can create your own with maybe a mini trash can and then maybe put a piece of paper and paint it green with some outlines of the recycling symbol and then write recycle bin. And then you can use it and then throw it in the recycling bin. Since I live in an apartment, there are recycling bins outside. Plastics discarded into the environment perpetually leach toxic chemicals into the land and sea. Our garbage can what they were saying in the last one was some things can have maybe lead or some other bad toxins and they can get into the sea and poison some animals if they drink the water or something. I don't know if that even sounds right. Okay, next one. Our garbage can maim, strangle, and kill marine animals. That's also one fact. They're saying the plastic turtle thing, that thing was tied around it so it couldn't move. It wouldn't get food. It would just... A single soda can sit in a landfill for at least 500 years. All aluminum, yeah, baby turtles might try to eat it. They think it's food. All aluminum cans may be recycled, yeah. And it says, what can you do? Reduce, reuse, recycle. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!